Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to another episode of powder coating. Today, powder coating, or hot flocking as they call it, some glass masonry, some glass jars. So we got to figure out a way how to make them stay on the wire, because in order to do this we got to heat them up to at least 400 degrees. I'm going to probably go as hot as I can, which is 450. You get them out, and while they're still hot you spray the powder on. So I got to be able to make the glass stay on here without falling off and all that, because this is going to be hot too. So let's see if we can come up with something to keep them on there. So we got the jars in there. Obviously we got to get them to above 400, and we'll get the timer set and see how long that takes. So with this, obviously we're not charging the glass, because that you can't do that. So all we're going to be needing is the air hose, and since we're not charging, we're just going to be free flowing. So we'll get it out of the oven, bring it over here, put it on here, coat it as quick as we can, and get it back in. We're going to be doing a blue and a red. We only have 2 jars, so we'll see how they turn out. All right, so after like 30 minutes the glass is finally hot enough, which that might be too because I didn't preheat the oven. So we're going to get it out and we're going to take it over to the table and see what happens. We've got the blue bacon in there right now, but I want to get it out and see if I can't shoot it with some red and see how that turns out. Alright, so here's the final product. I want to put some lights inside and see how that looks like for like Christmas decorations and stuff. Turned out pretty well. We'll see. Thanks for watching this episode, and we'll see you next week.